Happened. So we have contacted a lawyer. Please share this video. Update about a lawyer. Please share the video, guys. Out. Please share out. So we have contacted a lawyer because no say my man don't reach. So what happen be say we contact a lawyer. So the lawyer say now for it to work, but no, I felt tell now yesterday. Wetin dey first tell me. You know, yesterday I was in Frankfurt. I got on and say, see wetin Ogbalegbe tell me. Say now for it to return back, not be now they call that deportation. It's not deportation. That they are returning him back. So may he go do this thing, may he go their embassy, may he go do this thing, take come. So I thought I said, what did the police still tell me? The female police talk, and even the male police will direct me go where he dey. He tell me. So he tell me, so I'll come out on YouTube later. Come on, for they see like you they mad. God they punish you. You they Chris. Thank God. No mind the enemy of progress. When I turn and say na deport. Hey, go and ask. Deport go neighbor and which people. Go and ask. Go Nigeria airport. Go and ask whether na deport. Not be deport. Is return. The returner. So we don't contact lawyer. Yes, we don't contact lawyer. Lawyer say yes, now truth they talk. So when my man reach, they still tell her for Nigeria airport. So they go check am. They cause not be deport as well. If I dey lie here, go and verify. Call airport. They go give you the real information. Me they tell you now. You know, say me I know they talk with you. Me no they lie. So lawyer don't fair talk and say yes. Understand? So they need to work on that. Why you dey verse for waiting? Please share the video, guys. I know the verse. I dey tell you the update. So I will be on YouTube later. So thank God. You know, I tell and say not be deportation because the police when I meet yesterday tell me say it's not deportation. If not deportation, they will add and join people when they want deport. The man talk am. So he said the reason why not to return now, then he go use this thing visa. He go their Nigeria their German embassy. Say they'll go their German embassy. So we contacted another lawyer. So we can't tell and say see what they talk. Is it true? Now the lawyer can't go through. Today I call lawyer today as well. So the lawyer say yes, not true. Say so we are going to work on it. Okay, no problem. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So without contact lawyer, so lucky we get a private another lawyer private number. You understand? Private number. It's not easy, yeah, but at a time, but if now they deport, they're not going to come after 5 years now. The lawyer say no, not be deport. So embassy, even Nigeria airport say not be deport. Say na truth they talk. Because my man asked, they say now waiting they tell, I say yes, na truth. They only return her back. Say it's return. Because the police woman still tell me yesterday. He still tell me yesterday. Yeah, said go give a visa at all. Go. Yeah. And depends on how we take carry and follow, understand. Who they did my video when not they pull love, when not they pull comments, when they call here, they do evil here. I don't understand people. So because when I like a bad news, I'm so sorry. When I like bad news, no sir, I can't give you a good news now. No, I not like this one. This one not go let you not talk. No worry, all the proof and evidence I go pack them. Una know me now. Share una see video when I post when they go bongo. Me they always they keep proof and evidence for things. If I not post that video, now me not for does it change the narrative and I lie with the talk. Mona no worry, I'll see put everything. I will see put on. Una know me now. No problem. Please share the video, guys. If you get 5,000 euro, I can bring him to Italy before 1 month. Now me you want job. I know. I don't need them. I don't need them, my dear. Now you want job, you dey fine. Now you want knock your own. Now you dey fine, abi? Just dey play. Now you want knock Yahoo. Please give me love on this video, guys. He tell him to come. Tell him to buy Italian ticket. For Nari account have been a fake account. Good afternoon, Vera. How are you doing on your case? We are fine, thank God, darling. Mommy Stella, thank you. Yeah, God will fix everything. Yeah, of course. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. So that is it. You know why? Not be everything be deport. He reached Germany. He used this to take on. So now standard behold they do the mistake. The phone say they caught something. This one blah blah blah. Nothing like that happen. You understand? Yes, of course. Yeah. Yeah, the document still there with him. He there with him. I go ask him, say there with him. Even when I call Enoge yesterday, now wait till I see tell Enoge will be my weakness. Me, I not the lie. No, say sometimes one person go they talk truth. The people not they lie truth. You understand? When I call yesterday, I call Enoge because he buy ticket for me when I take go. So I call and see tell her the same thing when they tell me for that. Not be one person tell me. First, the man will tell me. The second one, when I go where he did, the woman still tell me. The woman still tell me the same thing. Now wait till she tell me. So that just that for now, I never know how much it go cost. You understand? I never know how much it go be. So that's it.
Morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. I don't dey hear you. Let's see your side.
Yeah, sorry, I had the family now.
Fine.
Quick one. I say if you ask her, they not collect the document for your hand, If you feel use and take buy ticket follow another country like maybe Spain, Italy, and tobacco. Yeah, and that one just let you know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Drop me a break.
Okay. Ipe una. Ipe una. Deport, Ipe una. Yeah, our market. So I asked lawyer, yeah, they call lawyer finish. Me, I see confirm by myself. Although the lawyer was so nice and he they speak English. So I asked him. He said yes, now truth. So our market. Our market. Mona go ask. In fact, if you want to know whether Vera they like, call Nigeria this thing for Nigeria airports. Go and call the confirm. Show na so na know his name. Confirm. Go ask. Go ask. They will tell you. Go and confirm it for them. If you know if you confirm it for Germany, yeah, I beg call for Nigeria. Go confirm it by yourself. They will tell you the truth. They will search Gene. They will tell you. Our market. You see, I said the Shana. You see, I said the Shana for inside flight, the way they take the shame some people. Not the only one they side flights. Poor. I not get straight to laugh. I know say this my laugh now, they pay them. No problem now. Not be people see they get her. That one no problem. Now people see they get her. Why whatever? It no easy, no easy. You leave her. Now way forward now. They are not there. It no easy. Everything not be money that they do everything. Not be lawyer and all that they do. So far you will see get good lawyer. Lawyer they here. Go see take for Bongo as well. So we'll see take for that side. Not be you want tell me. Easy, no easy. If not the one where you like yourself, you know say it no easy. Live on easy. 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 Understand? So that is it, guys. So so the lawyer sure he say yes, now truth. So you two go and ask. If you say still get lawyer, go ask question. Mona they ask question. Mona they ask question. Thank you, I'm happy to hear that. No, this kind of news, they're not they like camo. You know, as I talk this new updates now, as I talk this one no more, they're not their belly don't spoil. Chai! Shy! They're not love, not share again now. If now another one you can talk now, you go see share, you got share. Enemy or progress some people. They go they share and they go they pull love, they go they share. Share this one now. Oh, hey, I'm your boy. It is a kwekwe lawyer now I call. Na kwekwe lawyer get contact. It is a kwekwe lawyer. Lawyer when don't win, when don't you know how many cases that one done with that one rank don't high, not be safe for months. So it started there no case when the fear do and the one they not fear. Not the one they say, give me money, let's try. When assurance not they give me money, let's try. Don't worry, we will be doing it, we'll be battering it. You go not say allow, you go they deceive you. Tassa. If another one cut off for you now, they go to share. What you make una cut the wrong? Wanna share this one, beg. Wanna share and say una hear this one for Vera. Vera say contact lawyer say yes. Now truth. Says for you to get visa to come back. Yes, say go fit come back, not be deportation. When they ban down for 5 years. Deport Okpaika etasi. So yeah, Ishan women la wa Okpaika. La wa Okpaika. La wa Okpaika. La wa. You don't get document, then go Nigeria, come back. He pay you. You will get your own market. You don't get, now you go Nigeria, come back. Mona leave that one. Let that one be our matter. They not they give. Now you rest where not they cry for matter. We not you rest. Where you here. They not they give. You rest. You when they talk now, you never try, you never go there. Your case and my case not be the same. My case and my own and your own not be the same. Now so now tell Mumu now tell the judge. Your own case and maybe you go there, you don't even go there now, you the judge. Your own now, my own now not be the same. You are judging. Why are you not judging? You don't need to judge. You understand? Good morning, my lady. Good morning, though. Oh, we finally I thank you, Jerry. No problem. Okay, now cause we can't do one now. As the cause way they now, then how you say we can't do one now, advisor. Mona advice now. No love for this video. Mona advice now. They're not okay, what you call say me I talk now? What you call say make I do? Because I'll be on live video in the evening on YouTube. What you call say me I'll do? Hello Vera, you are welcome. What you call say me will do now? If I say this news pain them, hey yeah. If I say this news pain them. Okay, if it come back, no problem. If it come back with visa to another country, but not Germany, okay. I don't know about that one, my sister. I don't know about that one, my lady. Now, what the person don't do, now they know. You know, say sometimes your own matter and this one matter not be the same. And everybody matter na different one. You understand? So, I don't know about that one. If it be true, if it not be true, I don't know.
Hello,
Hello?
Pali. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, you will fit do visa, right, to other country, but not Germany.
Ah, okay.
Yes, if you do visa to other country, but you know if you call Germany again until 5 years complete.
No, the lie not talk like that, not be so.
Believe me, that's what Germany normally do. Confirm for another lawyers, they will tell you. Because even visa stay deposit for Germany, that's what some people normally tell me too.
Well, shall not be so. It's a problem, not this. Shall no problem.
All right.
But not be so. Not be so. No, it not be. He said now 10 years, now 50 years. He just said this one now reach. He just this one not go reach 30 years. 10 years now not too far. Oh my God. You have 5 years. Now you can't know that one. No. I don't get straight to laugh. Not be so we hear that one. Different one. This one he come. So they return her back. Now what did the police first talk?
Hello.
So for the same
Good
thing.
morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, they fine now. All these people where they write five years na lie because I see this one not be say they tell me
Okay.
one guy for Italy they deport him. So now my husband help am run I carry a lawyer now 1 year and 3 months as I'm talking to you now I dey Italy. The first time when he come now our house is there for like 6 months before he find house. No, this one not be say they tell me now wetin happen. So you understand? So not like 5 years. If you get better lawyer, you go fit
Maybe they
work.
tell them so. You know, say
Yeah.
they're not they like good news, my lady. God bless you for the truth. You know, so those haters, they're not they like good news. You know, so as I bring this one, I can pain them for body. Before me call talker, we don't verify. Now we see the man, the lawyer we talk. Now he talk. When
Yes,
I told
yes.
Papa yesterday, they tell me say they return her. Say they want return her back. Say he go embassy go do come back. They tell me the two police and what did they tell me? You understand? So lawyer will still call now. Waiting still talk. Say yes, he go fit come back. Not be 5 years, not be 3 years, not be this one that they talk. So you know when you go tell the good news, they pay the other day and not saying that they don't
Yeah,
they don't crash.
I don't really see him. It happen. Not be say they tell me. Now my house the guy stay before he come out. But now
If
one
you don't happen now, they'll say that so they'll say that lie you they lie.
Italian embassy for Nigeria I can't reject.
Okay.
They can't accept.
Okay. No, my lady, who was saying
Even the guy, I don't even know whether they interpret your husband before they carry him because this guy, so they interpret and do everything. Not get to they not do interpret to before they carry and go airport. But he still fit come back. So it dey happen. It's possible.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
All right,
man.
thank you. Drop me.
Okay, man. You know, not they like this kind of good news where he paid them. Many of them, no, now you they mind them. He paid them. He paid the Akitoris. Well,
Morning, my lady.
good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, they're fine.
Good afternoon.
Happy good afternoon. Though. How far? Which day you want to go meet your husband? Because that day you they make math say now so you must go back or they can never carry your husband when you know follow him. How far you see
Of
the
course, my darling, I was there yesterday. You don't need to cry now. So you calm down. No, they cry. Don't carry my matter for head. You ask
no, you
questions.
say wait, say you don't dey
Because
Naija now.
you know why? You know why? They not agree. Shey now say they go carry me. Shey no make say they
So they
jealous.
make math, make you quiet.
Shut up your mouth, he pay
Come on,
you. He
see
pay
this
you.
one. Fear go let you. One go
He
into
pay you. Shut up your mouth, he pay you. They pay you. Now, a person like you go now go the car. I don't say this message or not like come. I was there yesterday. I tell them, they say like don't be me there yes. So I there here now. What you make you call they cry pay you? He pay you. I tell them say I want come on. They not agree. I was in Frankfurt yesterday. Are you mad? I was there with my 3 children yesterday. Go and verify. Okay? Go and verify. What you made they not let me see her? Because they don't say if I say so yeah, so forth. They made they tell me say like they don't let me see her. You are bola where I pay you. What I tell you? I tell you say I'm ready to come out. Yes. I see don't be like they made the carry me and my mom. Yeah, all of us they go be waiting. I tell you. Day before yesterday now I do the video. Winner up where? I'll not tell you like that. Now what I talk then. People say Vera na bad person, Vera no go see Benjamin. Now I take carry pikin no gain. I buy ticket when I take go. Now I say I go there. When I reach there, I see them. I say I see you be like this. Oh yeah, my children there here. Oh yeah, where they go? They say lie. Madam, I see tell you now say fear not let me go say they will bundle me for them. You hear say me go there now they bundle me. You winner bue. We pay you for body, yeah, enemy of progress. He pay you. Hey, yeah. I don't know say go pay you like that because una the lie, still put everything on her. Okpaika, just the lie. Me na person beside they talk with proof and evidence. You said they say you talk say mama not go school. Mama not I go put all certificates when mama take go school for Deutschland. All the fat track, bite fat track, work contract, and loan oppression, all of them, they are post-time. Like Bogu. Because say Naija, on one use part of test support papa. No worry, she say mama not go school. Mama get be in Deutschland. Mama get beyond expression. Mama get as far. 3 certificates now mama get. But I go show you the year I go put her here. I go post up the year when mama take go all the school when they get as far and living in Deutschland once. When they go again, the year it did the certificate. She you said they say mama not go school, mama na this, mama na that. I go they prove una wrong with proof and evidence. But I know it's us. But I know it's us. Rubbish. They say he not go. They say he not go. They say he not can go. They say he can't. He not go school. They say he can't. No worry, I'll put up. If I post them, you not read them. Oku must kill you, Okpaika. Now Benjamin here, now he go kill you. When Benjamin ya talk boy, men they for not laughing at people. Una want to know, say that papa give a document. Una go bring the proof come aside. Sure now una talk and not be me talking. Now I say that papa can sign for my children. Where for sign put on go bring the proof. The Dutchland need to know if na he sign put in na be the na he pull hand. Una go bring the proof. Person will not declare your picking. Papa will not declare your jump if you picking for Dutchland. No worry, una might go there. Una might go there. Okay, you say mama not go school, mama not get certificate. I go post the 3 certificates when mama gets. I will post it and the year when he go school for Deutschland. When they integrate for Deutschland, I go post them. Okay? I go post, I go prove all of una wrong. I go post them. Papa will not declare Piki, will not tell German government say Piki there. So when I talk, I say, don't say how they lie. Not be inside, no. Not be inside for me, oh. He not sign put for Piki. Now, no one for hear that news. Thank God say not be my mouth now for here. He not sign for Piki, oh. He not sign for any Piki. If una they talk anything for social media, I know what they talk. He not even declare your own son. Tell German government say Now slender behold there be this on a foreign office be this or I beg oh. This one are my son. Now my son be this I beg. I want me stay under me or I want more give am so document. I want start for nothing like that. If not like me go bring the proof come aside. May God bring the proof come aside. You una dey talk with una no know right. May God bring the proof come aside. Una say na sign for a pikin. Na give my pikin document. Una go bring the proof come aside. I want to know whether person sign proof for my pikin. When you take get documents, una go bring them out. I'm gonna make sure send it to una the time. I first do una research before I go they talk because me a day here when I tell they give una woto. You get my point because I don't know lie one and they lie. Now so you not go school. Now so you not fit go school. I go post them. Hello. I go post them. No worry. The certificate today. Hello. Hello. No, the sorry. Can I make another accept anybody? Because you accept them finish. They not go great talk. Okay, your husband say na he father they collect his children benefit. Now so Benjamin talk. Yes. Not be so he talk. Get on. You know why I talk like that? You know, say sometimes when something never happen to no, now they understand how it be. You know, as Benjamin did so, as the grandfather did so, Benjamin they bear the same name with his papa. You get my point. They are bearing the same surname. Benjamin, my children, they bear the same surname with all of the, including the Oyibo woman when he marry, because they marry. When you marry for anywhere, they bear your husband name, right? So the woman now says they bear Ituna and all that. So my children and Benjamin and the father and the wife, including the daughter, that they bear, they call familiar castle. Now that they for talk. Now that they for talk. You understand? Now there, they for talk. Yes, now there they for talk. So when we call ask my father-in-law, he said not be he. He say if he be say now one man when they work for standard builder they cut Thomas Famous now he go collect the money. How you issue they gonna call they say you lie I call the lie for a head. Now bad person your cost come on now. He say no, he can withdraw the document back and when he be say such thing not happen. It doesn't make sense. I can't do that. I call the lie for head. He said no. Now he go withdraw mo. He go lie now he collect her back when he be say something like that not happen. You understand? So he not sign. When I they talk with you no. He not sign. He not even declare your own picking self. He not declare picking. Only maybe to say he declare picking. Maybe he go for fee help picking that time when picking you come. He not declare picking. He not tell German government say his son dey Germany. That was the big problem, the big mistake when he do. Whether because of the Oyibo woman fear I don't really know what he cause him. You get my point. I want the life for person head. You understand me? I make God see they protect me. They go not feel life for head. Only mistake when he do, he not declare picking. He not declare his son. He say he declare his son. Say my pikin come now only he want come I carry a come here. I beg. Wait I go feed do. How fit help him? Wait I fit do for him. That I never born him. That I never even get belena. You understand? Let them say na lie. Mommy Nora. I mean Mama Nora be this. I mean a picture they put. Okay, maybe not your picture. Because maybe not be real account. Now me, okay, now because my woman vision. Bella body. Our children. Bella.
Good morning, my lady Vera.
Good morning, how body? Well, yeah.
Now wetin person right now say na lie. He say no fit declare because he don't pass on that age. Now say na lie.
No
fit declare after na pikin because he don't pass on that age. You say very
no. Na lie.
Even na 50 years old person come him mama
Na
dey
him papa, as far na him papa get
no
passport.
be say he don pass underage. You know, na only underage dey claim say I speaking. More dey talk wetin una dey know comment section. Na that person I reply say na lie.
Okay.
Yeah.
He no grow pass. Na only to your
No dey get grow pass because na him pikin.
na him pikin. Only wetin they go ask my sister, go do DNA test to confirm am.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly. Now for they not believe, it was okay. I demand for DNA test to show say is my biological child. So now what he not do? Or mau he not do. So make they not they talk with it, they don't know.
You not go fit give a document. We are not talking about documents here. We are talking about the right his son or his papa. Now they talk. Everywhere they talk. Say not declare, say na him pikin, not say document.
Yes.
One of they listening to what the person they talk now.
Wetin happen be say, till say he declare am, document say go for even fit give, even though not fit give am, or go fit give am 3 years.
3 years, yeah.
Yes. He is entitled to give am 3 years. That 3 years, he go dey stay with am or he go rent house for am. Na so one Ghana man take comot the pikin. Ghana man kpaya well. A Ghana man ni when the tell Nora.
Yes, wow, yes.
Okay, my love. He get one they come with my camp. He can't get one Ghana man. The Ghana man don't born to pikin for Libya. So I'm Kore. So the woman has they all rich. He not reach 1 week. Now he born for camp when we did. He got be 3 children. As he come, now he papa can carry him for camp. If I lie, na son the child so. If papa carry him, say me follow him, he go rent house for him. He carry him go Osle that beholder. Now so if papa they do everything. The woman with 3 children come there under this thing, under government. He carry pikin come out, he give pikin 3 years because the man they work. He give pikin 3 years. Now so the man they start life. Before he call later go carry his wife and children come out there for camp. Now so it happen. So I don't know why now they talk say no fear happen, not be underage. Now underage they help. No. This one and Ghana my happen for my eye. I get the woman contact that time for WhatsApp before the contract transfer. Now they first transfer after 2 weeks before the contract transfer us. When you not declare your pikin, you not declare to government, you hide them. How you want to do anything for pikin? So that man carry pikin goes to that bureau. They tell them say na my son. He come. Say as I want to help, as I want to help, I go to help. They tell him. Passport get power. God bless you. Now passport he get Dutch pass. He said that Dutch pass. Now that man take give his son. If they don't believe my father-in-law, they only tell him to go and do DNA test to confirm if he's the biological father.
Exactly.
They go do am. So if they do that DNA test to show say not be pikin, they not go give him. But if now his son, he started to give him 3 years back. Now so.
If the person not pikin, say the man go with the problem. For you to lie, say na pikin.
Thank you.
Another problem.
I don't know what they try to turn for here, my lady. Because now you not declare pikin and they turn and say give pikin document for where person we no book come say even carry pikin go lawyer. Make you even show say lawyer beg I go fit help my son. I'll call the lie. I don't feel like for here now old man. Over Ladia. I'm going to just let that be hold there. Oh my joe. So many people know they talk with it, they don't know. Say, now say na papa give a document, now say papa can't do this one, and I say nothing like that. So then I can't sign for me. It not sign for me, oh. Let it along.
Zaddy, my love, how you there? Zaddy mute.
Okay, one.
Fancy Mano.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jerry. How you doing?
I did fine. Mama Nora, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Which is a wizard to good morning.
I didn't wish it's a wizard. I didn't imagine. The shed matter.
What's
Opaika, you the talk waiting. No. Opaika, you go bring all the proof. I go post my mass certificate for Deutschland. I go post the theory. Living the Deutschland as far. Be expression. when he pass, I go post up. I go see it is getting me area anywhere this time around. Una mind go day. Oh, because you say not go school, not get certificate, not even do anything, not work. He rated facilitation when they say give her for March. I go post her. Me say how much my man don't work. I don't work for that one. Share you say now lie. Now so he can't do this, he not can't do that. Why worry? Me have very high line. We go no me now won't see one lie because I mean I bini. Naija now because say the papa Naija. I want use part to take over the truth. No problem. Zazi talk my love. Rita Zazi. Okay.
Some people they will be say they come now. They not even if say they get paper, they not feel invite their family member come because of what they talk for their story. Now, so you see, it's possible that this man did not declare this man as a child.
Thank you.
Just like a lot of people now, they don't use man to say they not get mama again, they not get papa, they not get siblings.
We many for the club.
Yeah.
We many for the club.
Even if say they get paper that they work, they not feel invite any of their family member come say.
Okay.
It's possible. So if it be say una no physically blame them, I mean you know say that time now, if you thought so you not get anybody, they go allow you come, they go give you stay.
They not give her stay. Now I picky give her passport to my sister. He gets daughter, yeah, my daughter give her.
You know, so they say marry wife.
Yes,
so
nah, you know, say that time. You know, say that time. And what did they do?
So wife talk, oh, his wife say not tell him, his wife when you're there. Yes, that one talking, yeah, that one.
Yeah, so you know, say a lot of people did that, and if you see a lot of people, they get Muslim name, but they don't be Muslim. They Nigerian name, but be Somalian name.
Yeah,
because of that year, I think now all those things now they don't see repercussion.
You go one again, like it's a rock on Jamie. Who call that and I go click Kenya. So both Nigeria, go click Kenya. Both who claim Nigeria, you go we call rich now. They call declare maybe go bring country passport.
Passport problem. .com.
Now they say make
so that get 5 years. No say Kenya they give the long years. So that get 5 years. Say they not feel it. You no passport. You can't control Jamie.
Exactly.
Exactly. Lot of people why I know. Yeah.
A problem. A problem, you know, because when you go to the embassy, they go not say you not be from there.
Not be from there.
They go ask.
Nigeria, and they also go bring Nigeria passport. Go do my own one. Again, nothing do bring Kenyan passport.
You know fit. You know fit. I ever can honor me, my darling, because they don't give up. How they want to give up? They don't give up. You know fit possible. No fit. You know fit. Remember the thing. So now be the thing. So what do you go for? Do you go for your tell his son the truth? You go for not tell his son, my son come Germany. As his son come with data, you go for your liver for there. You know, person talk truth. You say the way it is. Somebody will understand. Not deceiving your son come Germany. Okay, maybe get 1 or 2 story when you talk way back. Even your wife talk him. Say, my father-in-law not tell and say he get pikin. Now after they don't marry, finish. So after they don't marry, finish. Now if my father-in-law tell and say he get pikin for Africa. In some way, he can't know. Say he get pikin for Africa. The woman sit there alive for you. This or you boy woman. Me, I not they do like that. If person talk truth, he still do good. I'll talk for way I take one. I not say because I divest me, I not talk. No, you know this woman talk when this matter don't they go far. He say Peter Ituna. He say you see what I tell you that time. He say when he married to you, when he call later, no say you get pikin. He can forgive you, it's okay. He want carry Benjamin come for Africa. Because money. Now you say they send give him. Whether you they send the money give him now, he don't know. Money where they collect, it too much. I beg, he want send this thing, made the bringer come give him. Then Benjamin was 17 years. If her life, if they here now, he go shock. Now he present now, he poor woman, they talk and wife. When they talk, enough he talk anything. He said, Benjamin, don't look me as a bad stepmother. Your father is here. We go in house when this Oyibo woman they talk. He said, your father is here. You could have been in Germany long time. I told your father to, I want to bring you. Your father said, no. He will not give me the permission when you quit. I don't know fear when you call the fear. I don't know fear. Now, what did the Oyibo woman talk? For a present, not be saying that for phone call. For a present. Now for talking. So that is say, even when we knew come, when I bomb, after I come bomb my first speaking, when we go the second, that the woman said, he said the city one, they say it too far. He said he go for like, he want rentals for us for a street here. Mo call the stay there because the woman not get picking. He like children, no, I not feel like he like children. 2-3 times when I don't go there that time, he must buy something for my pikin, give her money. If you want come out, say go say me we never come out. I know they lie. The Igbo woman, he like children. So he goes say, Benjamin, Vera, you like this place? He said there's vacancy here. He said I want to carry this house so that if you guys like to come from Ansberg, una come from one me will transfer on account. He go do. Papa Benjamin say no. Oh God, the Igbo woman still there alive. Papa Benjamin said, he say he won't go carry the house, he won't go pay. Papa Benjamin said, let me leave us for Ansberg. Now the Igbo woman talk, not be talking. He said, he say make he leave us for Ansberg. Now the woman said, no, if he there here, and I say because children now go call the greet and we go they play together. I family, grocer family, as in big family, go be one family. Papa Benjamin sit down on top. When they say sit down on top, it all total. If I lie, these days they look me. I know the lie for person head. Papa Benjamin kick against it. Papa Benjamin no agree. The Igbo woman find sometimes person see the wicked, but sometimes some area that woman good. Two times when I go there, when I meet her, first if I come and go give my pikin 50 euro. If Papa Benjamin want give his daughter money, go they find 5 euro. When want give his grandchild 50 euro, now the lowest money when that Igbo don't give my pikin. I know they lie for person. When we for see do good, I go talk on. As we come, the second time, go carry cake, come. Here, my first daughter, they shop palm. They shop the cake, finish. He go bring biscuits. She was happy. I know the life for person head. She was very, very happy. The day when we come go the last one, she did work, she not quick come. As he here say we come, he begin they say, hey, where we go? Now just 1 hour remain. Why we not wait? He begin they call you. Say, why we not wait for him? Say if you want to see my daughter, may he greet her. We not supposed go. Which day we go come? Now we say we will come. That woman is not like that. Nobody is perfect. Sometimes waiting for your good. Now they talk. So if I lie, God bear me weakness. And my mother in grave bear me weakness. If I lie for this one at the talk, so the woman was so nice, like children. I don't feel like picky. He go buy something, he go do something. You understand? So he like children. I don't feel like for her head. But he kick against it. You understand? I don't know what happen. I don't feel talk. What really happen? So for that one, say I ain't give you. I'm not seeing love on this video. Say I ain't give you picky passport. I ain't sign for my picky. I beg go. I go prove yours now. I see the birth certificate. Oh, you know say so now they do. Me I like to disgrace people well. Oh. Why I go make the birth certificate in la dian? They with me. Oh, I get it. Papa get. Why I go make view la dian? Mona go ask and when now whether they turn alive before now they talk. Why I go make disgrace where? Why I go make disgrace where? Yeah, Wahala bank best certificate I go post and we say no go school. Yeah, post any beg with the best certificate. If you want to see the name when it day, no beg whether na he can sign put. I don't understand though. Now papa give a picky document, now papa sign for a p, now papa sign for a picky. Then say una want me I call post out tomorrow and still you shame enter us. Me I post me why worry. Please pull up on this video. Me I post me ban. Then they do like so.